In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GetResponse landing page to ClickBank. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Connecting your GetResponse landing page to ClickBank is a fantastic way to boost your marketing efforts and get your products in front of a wider audience. Whether you're promoting an affiliate product or selling your own goods, this connection allows you to streamline your marketing funnel effectively. First, we need to ensure that you have both a GetResponse account and a ClickBank account. If you haven't set those up yet, take a moment to do so. They're both relatively straightforward to create. Once you have your accounts, we'll start by logging into your GetResponse account. As you know, GetResponse is an email marketing platform that provides useful tools for creating landing pages. When you're logged in, navigate to the Landing Pages section. This feature is typically very easy to find, often highlighted in the main menu. Once you're in the Landing Pages section, you'll see an option to create a new landing page. Click on that. You're going to be presented with various templates that you can use. Choose one that fits your style and the message you want to convey. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect just yet. We'll have a chance to customize it later. After selecting your template, you'll be taken to the editing interface. Here, you can customize your landing page by changing the text, images, and layout. Make sure to incorporate elements that highlight the benefits of the product you're promoting on ClickBank. Keep in mind that your goal is to entice visitors to take action, whether that's signing up for more information or making a purchase. Once you're satisfied with your landing page, it's time to integrate it with ClickBank. To do this, pay attention to the Publish settings in GetResponse. When you're ready to publish, you'll want to select the option to create a custom URL. Take note of this URL as you'll need it shortly. Now, let's hop over to ClickBank. Log into your ClickBank account and navigate to the Marketplace. Here, you can search for the product you want to promote. Once you find it, you will see an option labeled Promote. Click on that, and you will be prompted to enter your account nickname and generate a hop link. This hop link is what ties your ClickBank account to anyone who clicks on your landing page. Make sure to save this hop link for the next step. Now, go back to your GetResponse landing page and find the sections where you want to insert this hop link. It could be on a call to action button that says Buy Now or Learn More. Highlight that text or button and look for an option that allows you to add a hyperlink. Paste the ClickBank hop link into the field designated for the URL. This will ensure that when someone clicks on that button or text, they are taken directly to the product page on ClickBank. Don't forget to save your changes and GetResponse after adding the link. Now, let's test everything out to make sure it's working correctly. Copy the published URL of your GetResponse landing page and paste it into a new browser tab. Visit the page yourself and click the buttons or links you added. Ensure that they redirect you to the correct ClickBank product page. This is a vital step because you want to confirm that everything is functioning as intended before you start driving traffic to your landing page. Finally, once everything is working seamlessly, you can start promoting your landing page. Share it on social media, email it to your subscribers, or consider running some paid ads to bring in traffic. The more eyes on your landing page, the better chance you have of making sales through ClickBank. And that's a wrap on connecting your GetResponse landing page to ClickBank. I hope you find this information helpful as you work on building your marketing funnels. Don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this